Hello everyone. Uh, Here I would like to tell you how to operate virtual calculator while giving GATE exam. To practice that virtual calculator through Google, we can type GATE virtual calculator. GATE virtual calculator. Then click on this link. See this virtual calculator, it has been displayed on the screen. There is little difference between this virtual calculator and the calculators we use in our day-to-day life for engineering calculation purposes. Suppose if I want to find root of 100 in our normal calculator, what we do, we first take root and then type number 100 and we get the result. But here the order of operation is reverse. That is, first of all we have to enter the number 100, then click the square root. Here we get the answer. Suppose if I want to find sin 30 value, it is 0.5. In our normal calculator, what we do, we take sin and then 30. But here we have to go in reverse order. That is, first we have to take the angle and then press sin button. It is giving 0.5 value. If I take sin first, that is operation in true order, then angle, it will not give any result. Okay. Here operations are in reverse order. When I was student, long back, that time we used to use such calculators, FX82 series. It was in this order. But now calculators are available in operations in true order. Similarly, if I want to find the power of 2, say 2 raised to C, we have to press x raised to y, then 5, it will give you 32, like this. Then if I want to find log of 100 to the base 10, then first let us clear this 100 and log, it will give result 2. Yes, we have to go in reverse order. Here operations are not available in true order. That is sin 30. You have to type 30 first, then go for sin. Like this you can practice so many calculations with the different cases, that is trigonometric, algebraic calculations. You will get used to it, and there will be no problem in exam, which will save your time. Thank you. Well, I don't think operation सांगितलं बस झालं.